All right, guys. Blade Show West 2025. We're here with HORL, and this is Christoph.
HORL. I'm Christoph from Germany.
Christoph.
Nice to meet you.
Very cool.
Yeah, we are in Salt Lake City on the Blade Show, and we proudly present our brand new scissors.
Oh, very cool.
It's well designed for sure, but there are things you cannot see with the first view. So first of all, it's a forged scissor.
Okay.
Made out of a really high quality kitchen steel. We're talking about 58 HRC.
Okay.
So we have a really tough steel. And often the question is how we can bring apart the scissor.
Sure.
And if you go to that point, which is a good point to work with,
right.
But if you go from that point a little further, you can bring her apart easily. And often the question is how can we find the right angle for the scissor? Therefore, you will see 3 flattened surfaces here with something like a triangle we can make. And then we place it now to the surface. We have it in the right spot immediately.
There you
the
go.
Perfect angle is given now.
Right.
And now we're talking about our first invention. So we are the inventor of the rolling knife sharpener.
Sure.
Everything you see is produced in the Black Forest in Germany, where we come from. And the idea here is to give people a device which is working very easy. The whole device is free. So that means if I grab the sharpener and I move it on the table, you see the diamond comes in rotation.
Okay.
So now we can bring both things together, and then you can resharp your scissor blade.
That's awesome. I tell you what, the design of the scissor with the flats like that it gives you your perfect angle, and then you could just go right ahead and sharpen them. That's cool. I've seen these over here. QSP's right there. That's where I've been. And I've been seeing this over here, and I'm like, I got to go talk to these guys and see about the scissors. But Christoph, thank you so much for giving us that demonstration. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a fantastic show.
I wish you the same. All the best. God bless.